Good morning. So, ayan.
Morning.
Pasikat na ang araw. Time check, it's already 6 a.m. So, we're here at the recrap.
It's my leave. That did it.
So, ayan ang panahon for today.
Today.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's walk around there.
Picturein na natin yung that
And
happens.
then, ayun yung bridge ng Cabo Bridge.
And I'll show you something weird
So,
after I go
ayun yung
there.
landmark ng Palayan City.
It smells like poop.
So, that's all. Flex lang namin. Bye-bye. Have a good day sa lahat. Bye-bye.
Show ko sa yun doon.